Whoa, I just discovered a website which pays you money just to do surveys and then watch videos on that website. Check this payment proof. Do you like it? Okay, then if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a website which you can make or use to make that money. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Okay guys, so welcome back. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell, I will send you notification anytime I drop or do videos like this. And then if you love it so far, all you have to do is you hit on that like button. As I always say, if you click on that like button, it gives me motivations to do more researches and then bring you results like this. So as I said in the beginning, I have a website that will pay you to do surveys online and then watch videos at the same time. This website is really legit and then a lot of people are using it. A lot of people are making money out of it. So with that being said, let's head over. Okay guys, so congratulations, you've been here with me so far. Actually this is the app or with the website I'll be talking about, which is superpay.me. superpay.me. I don't know if you've heard about this website before, but it's really legit and they are really paying. Before we proceed or we move on to anything, let's look at some of their payment proofs and then we continue from there. So these are some of their payment proofs. This was paid today. I'm recording this video on the 13th and then I'm actually going to upload it on YouTube tomorrow, which will be 14th. So this payment was instant and then it was $4.21, and then this payment was also made the same day, which was also instant and was $1.57. If you scroll down, you can see a bunch of payment proofs. This payment is $18.81, which is not really bad. This one it got paid of $62, which is really huge amount of money if you ask me. And then their payment methods are PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon Skrill, and then Bitcoin, which is really good. Something like if you click on next, you are going to see a bunch of payment proofs. So this website is really legit. I will leave the links under the description, or the link under the description, so make sure you check it out and then you take it from there. So this is superpay.me. As I said, it's really legit. Their payment methods are PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon Skrill, and then Bitcoin. So you can join for free today and then you start making money. It's really legit. When you come, you can watch this video to get more understanding, something like that. So if you look at it, endpoint, watch videos and then take part in paid trials, surveys and offers to earn points. So that's really cool. You can come to the site and then you learn more about them. There's a bunch of surveys you can do or offers you can do, but in this video what we are interested in is by getting paid whilst watching video on this specific website. So we are going to move on. So once you are here, all you have to do is you bring the cursor into the home and then you click on login. When you click on login, it's going to take you to the login page, and then you click on join for free, which is here. So when you click on join for free, it will actually going to bring you here, and then you fill this form, your first name, your last name, your email address, you repeat, and then your username, you provide password, and then your address, you can forget the address too, and then you select city as California, state as province, and then you provide your postal code or zip, and then you select the country as United States. select the country as United States if you are in Africa. This is just a tutorial video, so don't mind the country I've selected. But if you are doing the registration, make sure your VPN is connected to the United States, and then when you are filling the form, make sure you select United States as your country. And after that, you put in your PayPal email address here. Please, here is where you are going to get paid, so make sure you provide the right or the correct PayPal email address. After that, you check in here, and then the rest of this, and then you click here to verify you are not a robot. Very good. So if you have a PayPal, if you have a Bitcoin address, or if you want to get paid through Bitcoin, you can also provide your Bitcoin payment address here. After that, you hit on create account. Okay, so let's wait as it loads. Okay, so actually I'm registered. Let me click on this. I'm registered. This is how what it looks like when you are registered. I mean, this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. See, I just registered, and then they gave me 20 cents as a registration bonus. 20 cents as a registration bonus, and then I have no points at all, and then I've not referred anyone also. You can read the site news, and then today's top paying offers. They show the top paying offers here. So these are the today's top paying offers, as you can see here. So you can come here and then do these offers, and then start making money. So you can see here, unlimited worth $0.80. Superpay.me, Dustin Wood has completed revenue war survey P2 worth $2.60, and then they also update you on what is going on in the app, and then something like that. So once you are here, you bring my cursor to offer wars. Then if I bring it, you can see a lot of offers, all offer wars, ad gates, a lot of more. War ads, AdSense media, and then when you bring it here, which videos, you can watch videos whilst making money with this website. And you can see here channel watcher videos. This also allows you to watch videos whilst making money. So you see that there are a lot of or tons of ways of making money with this specific website. And then if I bring it to paid surveys, you're going to see all the surveys, top surveys and offers, daily paid surveys, your surveys, top paid surveys, revenue survey wall. You can see opinion capital surveys. They also have tons or a lot of more surveys that you can do to earn money from this website called superpay.me. So worldwide offers, like something like that. This is really crazy. They have worldwide offers, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can do this some of these surveys, and then you get paid for that. But as I said, you have to register as a USA citizen so that you get more offers or surveys to do. And they also have new paid surveys, and then survey time, a lot of more. So you can do this paid surveys or offer wars. And then they also have referral program. You can also refer your friends and then earn money as they are earning as well. So this website is really crazy, and then I urge every one of my subscribers to register with this website and then start making money. And then they also have contests. You can join their contest and then earn $1,000 full cash and then use. And then you can also view the past contest winners and then many more. And then here you can see your withdraw points and then withdraw cash, and then you can also convert your points to cash, something like that. You can also view their payment method, and when you bring the cursor to help, you can read their frequent asked questions also, then quick help, submit support tickets, and then something like that. So guys, this website is really crazy and legit. and you can also edit your account here, edit more stuffs, your completed offers. You can view them here, promo code, and then your mail box. So guys, this is superpay.me. It's really legit, so I urge each and every one of you to register and then start making money from superpay.me. So guys, as I said, when you are doing the registration, make sure you register with your VPN connected to United States, and then you register with superpay.me. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or like the video, share, and then comment below. So actually I will be doing a first giveaway this year, and the giveaway will be going for the most active person on my channel, someone who likes my video, someone who always watch my video and then leaves a comment after watching my video. So I'm going to select such people or such person. So if you don't do that, make sure you start from today. After watching this video, like it, share it, and then comment below. Whether it's positive comment or negative comment, just tell me how you feel, what you think, or even if you want me to do video about something else, just comment below, and then you could be the winner of the giveaway. It's going to be a money, it's going to be $5. It's not bad though. $5 PayPal giveaway. So if you loved it, make sure you do the requirement, you like the video, you share, you comment, and then many more. So as I said, if you love it, don't forget to like the video or give me a thumbs up. Again, if you're new to this channel and you're interested in making money online and learn at the same time, this is what I do. I do researches about websites and application which will pay you free money, and then I'll bring you results. I do videos like this every day. So if you are interested, all you have to do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop videos like this. I mean, I will send you notifications the moment I drop any video concerning how to make money online and then learn at the same time. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.